Hello everybody. What's going on today? So someone asked me, what am I doing in my shop all day long between customers when I'm not building something? So I want to show you what I'm doing. It's pretty cool. I'm just practicing driving different cars. Here I have my Rift. It's have a 4-cell LiPo battery on it. It's a rock roller, rock racer. It was a kit. I built it, and we have those kits for sale as well. They're pretty inexpensive, and you can make a very cool vehicle with it. So what I do is right now, I have right here wood floor that it's probably like 25 feet long, almost 30. And what I do, I'm practicing how to drift with my Rift. So do this, and what I'm trying to do is do that in a very small area. What I'm trying to do is get my skill to a point that I can actually control the vehicle to do whatever I want. Okay? And it's pretty cool that you can do that actually on a slick situation. Yep, I hit the wall. And this machine have a crazy turn on it. If you can see on the wheel, they turn like crazy. Look at this. Now, just so you understand, between here and there is about 3 feet. That's it. It's not that big, but still, this is what I want to practice. Now, if I hit the cardboard boxes, then not causing any damage to the car or the boxes, so I don't care. And the point is to be able to do all this and not touching everything or anything at all. But I'm still working on it. It's part of the fun. Okay. Perhaps a little bit. Now, I want to show you guys something. So, if you have one of those Rifts, those cars have on the back, there's a system that you can actually change the speed with it. And the way that it's works, it's actually a 2-speed transmission. Now, the 2-speed transmission is working with a switch that you press and it's moved the servo. And let's set it up real quick. Okay, it's right there. Now, problem is when they design those servos, They did not think about giving the servo a little bit more power. So whenever you're trying to actually move it, they don't really want to move that good. So you actually manually have to move it. Let's see if it's got a little bit more power. Oh yeah. So now we're running on the high speed. Destroyed. Okay, I'm trying to get here to this spot over here, because what I set up here is some of my other toys, and of course there is a little contraption ramp. So this is what I do at a shop between customers. And again, nothing happened to those boxes when you hit them. It's not a big deal, but it's part of the fun that I can actually mess up on the new floor here. See you on my next video. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and share. Talk to you later. This is Eric, RC Monster Garage. A short clip what I do on the weekends. It's kind of like usually 10-15 minutes between customers, and it's time to go deal with another person. Bye.